Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am going to do an unboxing. I actually just got back from the doctor a few minutes ago for those that are watching. If you watched any of my previous videos, I had to have surgery on my knee. They removed some of my meniscus and I've got arthritis in my knees, which sucks, but there's nothing I can do about it, right? So, but anyways, they removed my stitches. They've released me to go back to the gym and go back to my daily activities just to be careful. He's not going to make me go to PT, which is, makes me super happy because he said, you're not going to go anywhere, are you? Which I would have went if he'd have told me I had to really go, but he said I'm doing much better than he expected. So just to not overdo it. So I still can't run, still can't do any squats for a little bit. But other than that, I can do all the other things. So I'm pretty happy about that. But anyways, I am going to do an unboxing. And I thought I'd just bring you guys along with me. It's just random stuff. Some stuff I got from Amazon. Some stuff I got from RokTheBox. If you work out and like workout clothes, I am real big on shorts. I am hot-natured. So I ordered some RokTheBox shorts. There's other brands that I use, but RokTheBox right now, as of right now, are currently my favorite. They do them in different designs. They do them in different fabrics. The ones I'm going to show you guys are Luxe. So I'm going to take these out. They come... Actually, I already opened these, but they come in a pink package. RokTheBox. This thing don't flip up, but I can't turn around because it's got my address on the other side. But if you got Instagram, I believe they got a YouTube page. They got a little bit of everything on there. These are my most favorite workout shorts because they have such cute designs. And my first pair, and these, for me, I am personally 5'9". That's how tall I am. I get the 3.5s. These are super cute. I get the 3.5 length that is high-waisted. They have like 2.0, 3.0, whichever one you prefer. Like if you like them shorter, longer, I believe they go up to 5.5. But these are my polka dotted. These are in the Luxe, and the Luxe has got like a tummy tuck, or at least feels like a tummy tuck in it. I've got some of the other materials too. They're just a little bit more loose fitting, and I wear a size medium. But these are my polka dotted ones. I got me some Easter ones, which Easter was just yesterday. I didn't get to really wear these, but which I kind of hated because I missed Easter because I had to have surgery on my knee. But how cute are those prints? They are absolutely adorable. So if you're looking for gym clothes, I highly recommend. The only downside is that they take a little bit to get to you, and you can actually order them in different materials. You can go on their website. It is www.RokTheBox.com. RokTheBox. And these are not, this is not sponsored by any means. I'm hoping this thing's gonna zoom in and show you guys. But I just got me a solid pink pair because I love pink. Who doesn't love pink, right? Like I said, these got tummy tuck. These are high-waisted, and they have longer shorts or shorter shorts depending on what you like. But for me, these fit perfect. It's just what I prefer. I don't have any longer ones in them. And then I got some neon yellow. I absolutely love neon colors. Not real big on them all mixed together as far as like tie-dye, but I love neon bright colors. Again, those are like tummy tucked in. Again, these are not sponsored in any shape, fashion, or form. What else did I get? I've ordered so much stuff that it's been just sitting here sitting because I couldn't really, I mean, I could open it, but I wanted to wait till I got all my packages to make this video. So, and I bought different stuff. Some of this might be for my grandkids. I'm not even sure, but we'll find out. Oh, this is a Superman shirt that I actually bought for my superhero day at work. We had a superhero day at work, which was technically, like, this is from last year's Be a Superhero. It's for child abuse awareness. We do an event at my job. Like I said, I don't know, for those that know me, I work for the health department. But I had ordered a shirt, and I had made a cape to go with this. But unfortunately, it came too late, which kind of was a bummer. But I'll probably save it for next year and use it for next year. And I'm sure between now and then there'll be some type of superhero event or something that needs a superhero that I can use that shirt for. But it's like, it's actually Kentucky blue, but it's got Superman on it. So, and I got that from Amazon. I can link it down below. And then, oh, they also sent me some Superman stickers. I'll give those to my grandson. He'll love that. But what else did I get? Oh, I ordered me some new running shoes because I knew, I don't want to flip that around so you can't see my address. But I ordered me some new running shoes because I thought it would motivate me to when I get back to running. I still can't run for probably at least 4 weeks. And I don't want to overdo it, but he said I could walk as long as it's not hurting me or bothering me. Where I've got arthritis in my knee, he did say at some point I'd have to have gel shots in the future, but that's in the future, and it may not be for 5-10 years, who knows. But so I'm not planning on getting that anytime soon if I don't have to. But for now, I got me some Brooks running shoes. I got them on sale because, honey, I am all about a sale and all about a deal. I mean, who isn't about a sale and a deal? But I got me some new Brooks to motivate me to run, which these are super cute. I don't know if you can see them. These are a 10.5 because I have a big foot, which I'm also a tall, large woman. But these are super cute. These are purple. They got the cheetah. I'm all about the cheetah. Can't go wrong with some cheetah. But I got those. Again, this video is not sponsored. This is just stuff that I have bought and let sit to be able to make this video. But that is my shoes, and I will show you all whenever I do wear these, put my shorts on, go to the gym. I'll actually probably insert a clip in my next video or put it on here just so you guys can see it. So, like I said, I will link these down below. Like I said, I got those from Amazon. I got me some new clothes from American Eagle, which I don't really buy much other than scrubs because that's what I wear for work, and gym clothes. That's pretty much, seems like that's all I ever wear. I don't really have much just dress clothes, which these are also not dress clothes. But I bought me some shorts from the summer from American Eagle. I'm going to open them up. These were also on sale. I'm wanting to think I gave $25 for these. I think they had a deal for $25. I'm hoping they fit. I've been cutting a little bit of weight for summer to get here, but these are at $10. And these are more of like a mix between peach and pink, like combined together. More like a coral. I guess it's more of like a coral color. But I got those, which I can't wait to wear. And I also got the green. I like the hunter green. I feel like solid colors, you know, you put solid with solid. And I'm not like a fashion expert by no means, but they're super cute. And they're the length I like. I don't like short shorts, but I don't like long grandma shorts, even though I'm a grandma. So that's just my thing. So please don't judge me. And I got me a pair of jeans because I needed some jeans. And actually, I thought these were pretty cute. My grandma was living. She'd be like, I can't believe you bought pants with holes in them. She's like, you could have just got your old pants. But these are the jeans. These are a size 10 extra long. I wear usually between an 8 and a 10, but like I said, I've been cutting weight, and I have dropped some weight, but you can see there's holes in the knees, but that's the way I wanted them. And I got the boot cut because that's what I like. And there's a little rip on the back, but I thought they're cute and they're in style. So like I said, I'm not a fashion expert, but I thought they were cute and I like them. So, and then let me see what else I got. Again, I'll link all these below because I've got a few different things on here. Again, none of this stuff is sponsored. I wish it was. That would be lovely. I mean, American Eagle, RokTheBox, Amazon. You want to send me things? By all means. Girl, dude, whoever's watching, send them to me. I would not be mad at it. And then let's see. Oh, this is actually, what's this? Oh, y'all, let me tell you what happened. This ain't for me, but this is for my little grand girl. I ordered her a Princess Elsa, which I'm not going to take this out of the package. But it's Elsa. It's got the tiara. It's got the gloves. It's a big, long, pretty gown. But my order did not come. They marked it as it had arrived, and then it was like a week later the package came, and then I had already requested a replacement because I couldn't find the package anywhere. For some reason, they told me that happens sometimes, which is kind of crazy to me. I don't know why you'd mark it when it wasn't really here. And usually they said, like, if that happens, it's the very next day. But I'm telling you, the package did not come for a week, so I filed for a replacement. So now I have 2 of them. So I'll have to send one of these back. But this is for my little grand girl. She will be 5 years old, and I'm taking her to see Disney on Ice for her 5th birthday. And it's a surprise. So I hope she's super pumped because we're going to see Princess Elsa and Encantino, I think is how you pronounce that. But she's going to be super pumped, and I'm about to get the Best Grandma of the Year award, at least for the day. So I'm going to go with that and take that. And then I ordered what I thought was like a little end table to match in here, because what I have y'all sitting on is my black coffee tables. So I was looking for a little end table. I don't really like my stuff. I like my stuff to match as far as like color, but I like to have different shapes, colors. Like what I have y'all sitting on my coffee table is round, and there's two pieces and it goes together, but there's a big round one and then there's a little round one and they connect together. So I thought, well, I'll get this little end table and it'll match it, and I'll have something to set my drinks on when I'm sitting up here on the couch being lazy watching TV. So, and then this box came, and this box is not very big, but you can see the design of it, and I about died because that is definitely not the size that I thought it was going to be. It looked much bigger online, and I really should have paid closer attention to that, so I'm probably going to have to ship this back because this is definitely not going to be big enough for, I mean, it's like a cute little side table, but it is definitely, yeah. It was on sale for $59.99, and it's cute, but I definitely need a bigger end table. I might keep that for something else, but yeah, I don't know about that. We'll have to try that out and see, because I'm going to set it next to me and try it out. Not my best angle. You just have to overlook my house. As you can see, that's my black coffee tables where I told you they go together like circles. But I thought I'd try these on for you and show y'all. These are my RokTheBox shorts. They have tummy control in them, or they're a little tighter. I like them. These are 3.5 inches long, but I prefer these. And yes, I have some cellulite, but these are the 3.5, and they're the high-waisted. Like I said, I prefer high-waisted, but those are the 3.5. They're the neon pink, and I will show you guys in the other colors too. But I love them. They do roll a little bit, so if you're into working out and you hate your shorts rolling, it does happen. But these I feel like hold in place, especially my belly. If I'm doing handstand push-ups, I hate when my belly comes out. But these actually, they're a little, like I said, a little tighter fitting, but I love them. And then I will try the next pair for y'all. These are my polka dotted ones. Again, these are 3.5s. They're high-waisted. They're, yeah, 3.5 high-waisted. They do roll a little bit, but some of my other materials roll much worse. But this is the front. You can see them from the back. Again, I love these shorts. If you're into working out, you be loving these shorts. I don't care if you go to a global gym, CrossFit, whatever it is, running. These are awesome shorts. Now, these don't match, but they're the bunny ones. But these are also the high-waisted 3.5s in length. Gosh, I love these. I hate that I did not get to wear these for Easter, but they're super, super cute. Again, and they move right with you. They stay in place. Again, I'll link them below. But these may just about be my favorite pair. And these are the bright ones. They've got a built-in crotch too. Again, these are high waist, 3.5. They do roll a little bit, at least down here, but they stay in place upside down. They don't roll. My belly don't pop out of them, whether I'm running upside down, handstand pull-ups, push-ups, whatever. I love these shorts, and I cannot wait till summer when my legs are actually tan. Overlook my knee. That's where they took my skin. Thank you guys for watching, and I'm gonna try these others. I'll let y'all see them too. These are the coral shorts. Sorry, you guys can't see me all the way down there, but these are the coral shorts I got from American Eagle. Those are actually a little bit big. I probably could have went with an 8, but I'm gonna keep them. These are a size 10. Yeah, I'll probably keep these. They're a little bit, yeah, just a little bit big, and they're kind of long on the crotch. But if you don't like them super tight or whatever, and plus when you wash them, you know, they're going to draw up. So, yeah, but like I said, I think I got these for $25 each when they were on sale. They may still be on there, but like I said, I will link them down below. And these are the jeans. I actually got these in a 10 extra long. Hoping you can see them all right. But I like them with the holes. Like I said, my grandma would probably beat me if she was still living, because she'd be like, I can't believe you bought jeans with holes in them. But I did. So there's that. And I got these on sale too. These are actually really, really high-waisted. Geez, I could have probably actually went to a size 8 because they're a little bit big. But like I said, in the summer I cut down. Like before summer gets here, I like to drop a little weight in the summer, and in the winter I kind of fluff up. But that's just because my own personal goals, because I weight lift. Most of the time I have the trouble of they're too big in the waist and they're too tight in the legs, but that just kind of comes with the territory. So, but I'm going to show you guys, like I said, I will link these down below if you're interested. Again, leave me a comment. Thanks for watching. Again, thank you guys for watching. If you stay till the end, please leave me an emoji with the big heart eyes if you stayed all the way till the end.